Hello everyone, welcome to Reading Filling the Blanks. Video number 34. It means that we have already discussed 33 highly repetitive real exam questions जो आपके real PT paper में भी आए हैं, and all this has become more important because now requirement for PT students, especially for PR, has increased from 79 points to 84 points. And those for whom earlier target score was 65, it's increased to 66. So first things first, if you are looking to settle in UK, you can now achieve that dream through PT because PT is accepted in UK, and 90% of Canadian universities now accept PT academic, and a new test which is PT home has started if you are looking for family visa in UK. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT. In this video series, we discuss the same strategies so that you can also crack your reading, you can also achieve your scores, target scores, चाहे आपका target score 65 or 66 हो, 79 or 84 हो, you will be able to achieve your target score अगर आप same strategies follow करते हैं which we teach you in this series and to our students online as well as in the institute who take coaching from us. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. PT reading is of 32 to 41 minutes, so आपको time management खुद करनी होती है, and it is not scored out of 90, it is simply scored out of 47 marks, and it has 5 question types. और जो आज का topic है reading filling the blanks, that is the second last question type in PT reading. This is the real reading score where you can see PT का जो reading module है वो it is of 47 marks only, and उसमें reading filling the blanks are of 15 marks. So let's say आपको 5 reading filling the blanks आ रहे हैं, so they will be of 3 marks each. Okay. Now what are the strategies to crack or to solve reading filling the blanks? First of all, you have to solve this in within 2 to 2.5 minutes. This is the time we could find out through our big data analysis. And क्या आपको सारे words उसमें पढ़ने होते हैं? The answer is no. You do not have to read all the words, and you just have to do the skimming. Okay, and we teach our students how to skim it. So this is today's topic. As usual, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to go through this, and then we will start discussing. Okay. So you know that we have to skim it first. We skim it to understand the gist कि क्या overall idea है. Tone means positive tone, negative tone, neutral or academic tone, as well as tenses कि कौन से tenses use हो रहे हैं. Past tense, present tense or future tense. So what is music? Question mark. In one sense, this is an easy something. Even the least musical among us can recognize pieces of music when we hear them and name a few canonical something. We know there are different kinds of music, and even if something of music is restricted, we know which kinds we like and which kinds we do not. Okay? So we have seen this कि किस बारे में बात हो रही है, more or less music के बारे में बात हो रही है. Okay? Ab, second thing what we do is we see the parts of speech for these options which we are given. So statement क्या है, noun होता है, and we have a detailed lecture on parts of speech for our students in our grammar course. More about our grammar course in due course of this video. तो knowledge भी noun है, examples noun है और plural है, question भी noun है, answer भी noun है, table भी noun है, exit verb की तरह use हो सकता है, extend भी verb की तरह use हो सकती है. Okay, so let's get started. What is music? Music क्या है? Question mark. In one sense, this किसको रेफर कर रहा है? जो आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा है. It's an easy. अब सिंपल सी बात है, क्या पूछ रहा है आपसे? वो एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, राइट? स्टेटमेंट क्या होती है? स्टेटमेंट होती है अगर क्वेश्चन मार्क ना होता तो उसको हम स्टेटमेंट कह सकते हैं। जैसे ये वाला सेंटेंस इज अ स्टेटमेंट। इन वन सेंस दिस इज एन इजी क्वेश्चन, तो दिस इज अ स्टेटमेंट, but this is not a statement. This is going to be question, right? So based on your backward reading strategy, you can easily find out कि हम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पे question के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। So our answer is going to be question. So we are going to drag this and we are going to move it to the next one. Now you know that कि यहाँ पे अब एक नया वर्ड है canonical. It means that basic, elementary, right? कि जो चीज ना हो उसके बिना वो बात ही नहीं बन सकती। तो ना कुछ उसमें आप ऐड कर सकते हो, ना कुछ रिमूव कर सकते हो। ओके, सो नेम अ फ्यू। अब यहाँ पे ग्रामर का यूज होगा आपका। ओके, first of all, we have taught to our students that a few means positive quantity, few मतलब close to zero। तो आपको क्या यूज करना है? a few। अब a few कैसे यूज करते हैं हम? I have a few problems, I have a few suggestions। okay, तो क्या यूज होता है? प्लूरल यूज होता है अ फ्यू के साथ हमेशा। तो अब इनमें से प्लूरल कौन सा है? सिंपल सी बात है, प्लूरल क्या कौन सा है? सिर्फ एक ही वर्ड है। तो अगर आपको ग्रामर की नॉलेज है, बेसिक ग्रामर विच वी टीच इन आवर ग्रामर कोर्स, यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व दिस ब्लैंक जस्ट ऑन दिस बेसिस। अब आपको और कोई ऑप्शन ढूंढने की, देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि सिर्फ एक ही है ऑप्शन जो प्लूरल है। सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी ओवर हियर। सो इट्स अ फ्यू कैनोनिकल एग्जांपल्स। ओके, नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट ब्लैंक। एंड अब यहाँ पे क्या बात हो रही है? वी नो, नो मतलब जानने की बात हो रही है। ओके, वी नो अगेन बात हो रही है मतलब जानने की। तो जानने से रिलेटेड किस चीज को जानते हो? आप किसी चीज को जानते हो, राइट? जब आप किसी चीज को जानते हो तो उसके बारे में क्या गेन करते हो? यस, द आंसर इज नॉलेज गेन करते हो, तभी तो उस चीज के बारे में जानते हो। तो विच ऑप्शन इज given over here? Knowledge। okay, so that's why we are going to simply put up knowledge over here based on our backward reading as well as forward reading। you have seen कि हम अगर कोई चीज के बारे में जानते हैं, उसके बारे में इच्छुक होते हैं, उसकी क्या चीज इंप्रूव होती है? द आंसर इज उसकी नॉलेज इंप्रूव होती है। ओके, so we have filled knowledge and let's see if all the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers for this one are correct. So what is our reading filling the blank strategy? Our reading filling the blank strategy is based on context, lexical resource, and grammar. In context, we do skimming like we have done in this reading filling the blank. Then there are forward reading strategies as well as backward reading strategy. You had seen forward reading usage as well as backward reading usage in this question. And tone is also important. For lexical resource, collocations, phrasal verbs, and vocab is important. We had seen, we had learned a new word which is canonical. So canonical का मतलब basic, elementary. Okay. Now what about grammar? We have a complete 30 lecture course on grammar where we teach our students parts of speech, subject verb agreement, prepositions, modals, articles, determiners, signposting words, tenses, irregular verbs or plurals, and British English rules, sentences formation also. So this is the complete course which is very important, especially अगर आपका target 7 bands हैं or 8 bands हैं. Okay, always remember you just have 2 to 2.5 minutes to crack your reading filling the blanks. First 30 to 60 seconds mein you are going to skim the content. In the next 90 to 120 seconds you are going to use process of elimination. And जो भी strategies हम teach करते हैं, those are validated and proven strategies. Proof is in the ticker below. You can see the success stories, and these are some of our recent success stories also. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you have any question or doubt, do not forget to WhatsApp us if you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.